Yeah, then we will see the for semi-infinitely long wire. So semi-infinitely long wire, we will see how it looks like. So for semi-infinite wire, case 2. Semi-infinite wire. So let's say the situation will be like this: infinity. So if the current is maybe like this. Okay. Now let's say I need to find out the field will be at this particular point. But again the direction will not change, upward and r vector I cross r, it is into the board. So the magnetic field direction will be like this, into the board. So they will not lie in the board, board plane lo undavu avi, antena into the board, endukante wire undi kada akkada board plane lo akkada undavu. Okay. So in this case what happens to this, it will become 0 degrees, then this tends to 90 degrees, antena. Okay. When I substitute here, sin 0 will become 0, then 1 will be 90 is 1. So then what the answer will be? So B will be is equal to, so mu naught I by 4 pi d for the semi infinite wire. Okay, fine. Note down and remember the formulas. Okay. Yeah. So we'll see